Hello, this is N80XC. We're going to do a quick tune-up here on this 520 I resurrected. Brought it back to life, painted it up, and basically restored it. So get a lot of questions on these old radios, how to tune them. So we're going to do this real quick. Hope this helps. Leave me some comments if it does or doesn't. Okay, we're going to set this up. 28 megahertz, 10 meter band, upper side band. Power's on. Heater switch is on for the tubes. It's warmed up a little bit, so let's get at it. First off, we're going to be in our IP position on the meter. That's going to tell us our current. So we're going to check the bias control and make sure it's biased for 60 milliamps. 60 milliamps, we're good to go. Bias is good. All this tuning is being done into a dummy load, by the way. Okay, so we're going to put our mode switch into the tune position. That's a low power essentially tuning that allows us to get metering and still see what we're doing. To set this meter over to ALC so we can take a look at what that's doing. We're going to peak the ALC with the drive control over here on the far side. So we're in transmit. There we go. There's a nice peak. Okay, that's good. That means that's ready to go. We're going to stay in the tune position, and we're going to go back into the IP, which is again the current monitoring. We're going to dip the plate. We're going to minimize the current across the plate using the plate control. So we'll do this. Sometimes you don't see a really big dip, especially with a dummy load. There we go. There's our dip in the plate. And that was a real small dip, but nonetheless that's what you want. A lot of times with an antenna you'll see a bigger dip. Now we're going to go into CW mode. We're going to peak our load and plate alternately for the most power output we can get. You can watch it here as well if you put your meter in the RF position, or you can use an external power meter, which is what I normally do. So we'll go into send here. We've got good power already. Let's touch the load control. There we go. There's about 110 watts right there. See, move the load control. Doesn't give us a whole much more, but almost 120 watts output there on 10 meters. Not too bad. Now you're ready to go into your upper sideband mode. If you're going to run voiced and you're tuned up, you're ready to go. Hope this helps, and just wanted to try this to see if it how it would turn out too for YouTube. 7-3 everybody, N80XC.